Harvard Business Review just published research on something that I have been watching for years. They call it the pivotal 40s problem. What it says is people in their 40s are carrying peak responsibility at work, peak demands at home, and have almost no time to stop and ask whether any of it is actually working for them. The researchers say the system is the problem, that careers now run 50 or 60 years, but most workplaces are still operating on assumptions built for careers half that length. So, you're not broken. You're running outdated software on a machine that has changed. The 10-week reset exists for exactly this moment. Not to help you endure the next 20 years, but to stop and decide what the next chapter actually looks like on your terms.